Hello. Hello, Divya.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Actually, they gave the root connection today. I spoke to them, so it's
Sorry.
the root connection is provided today, sir. I checked also. I logged in and I checked it.
Okay, okay. Before that, I can go for just like previously you seeing the SAP cockpit. I'll
Yes.
show that.
Sure, sir.
How
Okay.
done. Yeah, then we can go for that.
Sure,
Okay.
sir. Mm-hmm.
So by using SAP HANA, what are the operations you have to perform?
Okay,
So
sure,
that
sir.
cockpit.
You got access to HANA cockpit, sir.
See here. So this is the way of you have to log on to the SAP HANA cockpit using a SAP query.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these are the tiles. So if you want to go for specific tiles, so your right side is there. No? What are the things is there here?
SAP system, HANA system administration, database administration.
Okay. Application
Yeah.
lifecycle. You want installing new one, security
Okay.
perspective, user management, certificate management, backup management, small data access. This is replication. Okay. Application perspective. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
here. Okay. And even now I want to take it back up. Then where we go?
HANA backup. SAP HANA backup.
HANA back. So where the tile is there here? Where the tile is there?
Backup and recovery.
Yeah. So see, this is the tile is database backup.
Database backup.
So remember, I think you take the backup. Previously, how many methods you did backup previously? So previously you take the backup by using a studio base, and you can go for as a console base also. Even using as a HDBase SQL base level. 3 levels. This is the 4th level.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just like a database backup. Again, how many types of? So here till now there is no backup. Okay. Now I want to backup. So it should be there. Okay. Now I want to just like data back. Again, backup type. If you want only incremental backup. So see here, complete backup. How much is there totally?
160 MB.
106 GB.
Okay.
Okay, 106 GB. It's not MB because it's a live data, so that's why it's taking. Real time is taking more time. Previously, you have only 50% like, but we had to. So even when you go for incremental backup, means till now nobody do any practical differential backup. Okay. So again here, backup destination type. Where you're taking, are you using as a you're using file system based only. Okay. Give the backup just name.
Okay.
So backup parameter, backup.
Okay.
Not understand. Prefix is not your naming. Just click on take the backup.
Okay.
Now backup will be start. It's taking a longer time because you have how many is there totally? Yes.
Yeah.
So, okay. Now it is that. So see, I want to monitor the backup is running successfully or not. So see here, what are the backups are done until now? Index server is going to backup. Now next one is a namespace backup, and next one. Okay. So it's taking too much time. See it.
Yeah.
Now, are you able to see that?
Now I am able to see, sir.
See, index server, so it's taking backup. Namespace server, access again backup.
Okay.
So I don't. If you want to cancel, you can cancel that in between.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Even again, I want to check the overall logs also. Till now, how many backups is done? So here, what is the and what is services name? Here, name of server, access and index services and services. Okay, so everything checking is one by one here. Then go back. So this is the way of get the backups.
Yes,
okay. So next one. So next one you say. Excellent. What the next style you have to go for now? Even suppose I want to go for a device. Okay, in security, what are the things like you have audit, encryption, okay, SSL configuration, everything is there. So here, what are the options is there here? Network, security information.
Security overview. Okay.
Secure circuit layer. Just click on that. I can check it. Okay. what type of layers is available, and this is enable or disable. So everything just checking. You cannot do anything. Just is a monitoring. Say enable the external JDP connection, internal communication, and general settings. Okay.
Okay.
It is also fine. And next one is the data storage security. You say encrypted. So how you can encrypt it in a studio based?
By
See what
going
is this
to
encryption
the
here? Yeah. So you have to go for HANA first security tab. Just double click on India here. What tab is? What tab is there?
data volume encryption. No.
Yeah. So what type of data value are it? Index server and access engine. Remember, by default, what happened?
It's unencrypted.
Then what we'll do? You have to make
it.
Once you have to make an encryption, what happened? The data is showing in the format of 0.
Okay.
Yes. No? It's taking a longer time. So now encrypt is taking that.
Okay.
Okay. This is the.
How did you do that, sir? Can you just show it again?
Below is there, just.
Okay,
Below an option is there, no?
I can't see.
Below is there. Below.
Okay, encrypt data.
Okay,
yes, sir. Decrypt data volume now.
Yes, now is already stored, so you want to decrypt it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next one, addings. By default, what happened? Adding was disabled.
Yeah.
So I want to on. So there is no, I think, it's not given anything. Configuration. It's taking something is going. Okay, alerts will be there. So just go for get
go
the alerts.
Okay.
Okay, so here also there is no data is found in.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, then go back. Okay, and next one is the authenticationers.
Okay.
Okay, authentication, even password policy. See here why the password policy is there here. Password minimum pass 30, so the 6 letters.
6.
Okay, for case required. This is for
password policy.
So lifetime, initial period. Okay, maximum. If you want to edit, just click on edit. So you can edit it. If you are changing it to 7 or 8, something like that, you can edit it also.
Okay. Yes.
Even if you want to add the blacklist of your passwords, so below one is there. What the password here? Password blacklist.
Blacklisted, there's nothing. We can add it.
So these are the three, like security, data security audit, and authentication. And next one, user management. So see here, how many users is it totally?
64 users.
Yes, by default, Tyler is showing it displaying the numbering also. Okay, suppose we want to search any user, just enter that ID, so it's showing automatically. 0405. Just click on what other roles is there. So what the by default role is there?
System role, public role. Okay.
Okay. Suppose if you want to assign any role, just click on edit, and you can click on assign the roles. Okay. So these are the roles. Standard.
Okay.
It's provided SAP. So if you want anything like monitoring purpose and admin purpose, like totally it is this all. Now he's also accessing as a.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So so just like you want I want to assign some roles, then you can clear. Even I want to put administration role. Just I'm starting with.
Okay.
SA/ANA/
Administration and monitoring.
So admin role, monitoring role. Okay, just
Okay.
add it. Just click on. So if you want to delete it also, you can delete it. Okay, click on.
Yes, sir.
No, so user was saved resetting it for rows in the same. Like each general, you can just check it and just search one by one.
Okay.
And next one is SAP security documentation. For example, any user is not authorization, then automatically is connected with your documentation also. See here, the documentation is going to performing as a administration task and by using how to assign the role, how to certificates, all the documentation is available. Okay,
yes,
security only. Okay, again here, even configuration, collection, that is for user security. So till now what we do is discussing as a backup as well as security management. So suppose I want to create a user, then you have to go for user. So this is one is there.
Yes, sir.
Even go security overview. Okay, and even so I want installing anything. Okay, so installation. So you can install the what are the components you are installing. Now we are using as a what happened. So you have to browse the product. What are the browsing stickers? So you don't have any studio, so that's why it's not any. You don't have any data. You have the software, you can browse it, you can upload. Okay.
Yeah.
And even so installation log till now what are the installation is done.
Okay.
It's not showing anything. So till now you don't have anything. Installation in installation. No, it doesn't. So here, so change and enable RMA for again. This is fine. See where you're downloading, what are the products is there. Okay, what are the transportation tools is there. Okay, and even transportation view, settings, installation and operation. Just click on. So again asking as a path. Okay, do that. Next time. Given is that. Even now go for database administration.
Okay.
Everything like alert configuration, memory utilization, everything you're checking is one by one. Okay, suppose I want to check the alerts. So how alerts is there? Even if you are to for alerts, you can go the configuration. Okay, what type of alerts is and what type of priority is there? So everything checking is one by one here. See how many alerts is there totally here?
3 hours.
Last 24 hours, 3 alerts. Okay, select the alert and you have to configure the alert. Just here option if you want to configure new one, just here and configure new one.
Okay.
Okay, okay, see here configure through mail means what is the alert is you can just share to mailing also.
Okay.
Okay, sender detail and the default receipt. Okay, and you have to check.
Yes.
This is the alert monitoring with configure. Okay, like even you have to go for the HANA Studio. See how we have configuration and they have all other TVs is there. And even user memory. Okay, so you have to checking. So how much utilization is there, and I can check it. So see here. So database, residence memory, okay, and you have to minimum maximum value, average value, latest value in the format MBs. Means it is around and so 190, 110.
Okay, yes, sir.
Even if the graphical was getting quick analysis. Okay, even I want to go particular one. HDB host is showing. Even index server is showing. So everything is getting 111 here. Even if you want to change the color, just click on that. It's not existing. Below is showing. So this is load the graph. And CPT narration. So he's getting values. See here is called continuously CPT narration. Graphical values. One login, which is server name or the user ID. So everything is showing as one. In normally can just monitoring only there.
Okay.
Okay, next one. Discuss visualization. Okay, now below see here total risk and okay, total risk average, okay, maximum value, minimum value, and okay, to show the risk utilization.
Okay.
This is also done. And even so, you have to use the tabulation, monitoring, thread configuration, server restarting. Even so, already seen a configure like dumps. So even version number, general environments. What is your database using? And so this is the version. So SAP HANA 2.0 history. So this is the version stories.
Okay.
So what the plugins is the application by default. So everything checking either one. Just looking as a rich look and easily write a perform. And again, configure alerts. If you want to create new alerts, this is already there. So you can setting your own alerts to see a configuration. By default, what happens is switch off. Click on edit and just click on switch off. Okay. Host physical memory utilization, disk utilization, inactive services, services, host, and okay.
Yes, sir.
And next one is the user creation. Manage the users and roles. So this is. So how to create the user? Here also, just right click on it. Here, what options is there? New user creation.
Yeah.
Showing the same details and but looking by it, new user, username and password, granting the role, privilegization, system privilegization, object privilegization, analytical privilegization, package privilegization, application.
This setup is similar to HANA Studio. I mean, the UI is same.
Here's some advanced. Even if you want to create the role, just right click on it, and you have to create a new.
Okay.
It's a similar tabs like here the role name, what type of data, part of the roles, everything you have to add one by one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And again, the COCKPIT is documentation. So these are the tiles from database level. Okay. So these are the simple. We're doing just now. What other things we're doing? Everything is go for SAP HANA COCKPIT. Advanced.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I want to make a presenter.
Okay.
Start the
Yes, I
package
started.
creation and table. Yes.
You mean log into the root server?
Yeah, no. I got a normal system only. Just once. Yeah, please share the screen now.
Sure.
I have to make a presenter. Yes. So who are create the attribute? No. Go for studio. Directly go for studio.
Oh, studio. Okay.
Studio. Already gold server. This is also there's a backup for server. All details. Same details.
Okay. Okay.
In real time, the packages attributes are given by the model. But here nobody is there, no? So that's why you're able to create your own.
Okay. Some error.
Ignore it, no issues. No?
Okay.
Okay, right click, add the system, no problem. Just right click on, right click on and log in. Even if you're checking it, the VI user ID source is available. Yes, everything is there.
Okay. It's logged in.
Okay, log in. Now I want to creating as attributes. Attributes use means first of all what we do? We have to creating the tables.
Okay.
We have to creating as a multiple table. So like you want to create tables, inserting that data, then you can do all the process one by one. It's taking us too much time.
Yeah.
So that's why what we have to copy pasting some data into the Google, like how we can create the tables. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Once again, yeah. This I'm sharing as a one document.
Sure, sir.
One link. Chart option once again.
Okay.
Charting outside of this. Just go for charting.
Yes, sir.
In charting, you get one link. Just click on that link. Okay. Now he's getting the other one tables. Scroll down. Scroll down. Now I want to copy paste the overall data here. So create the standard view. So where is the create command?
Here in the system.
Yes, close this. Just close this. Just to continue. But I don't know. Then there only have the create queries there. Just check it. Copy paste the query. Scroll this. Scroll down.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, just copy that coding. Copy that to create coding. Or till the price is there. Na? So those all. Okay, so this is the one table. What is the table name? This is the product table name. What is schema is your schema. Okay. So first of all, create your schema is better. Unless you can go for the no. Okay. Copy this. Copy is that.
Yes, sir. It's copy done.
Yeah. Now go for that server. Right click on the SQL console. Open the SQL console here. You have any schema? Is system schema is there? No. Open the system schema.
Okay, 1 second.
Open system schema again. Open no. Right here system schema is there. No? System schema. Right click on it. No, tables, go for table. Table. Right click on the table. Hmm. Right click on the tables. Select in the table, open the SQL console. No, right click on the table. Table I'm saying.
Yeah, I right click on the table only.
Not table folder, not table name.
Oh, table folder. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. Should I paste it here?
Yeah, just click and paste it. Once again, before execute, change the names. What the schema name here saying?
Yes.
Remove the schema. What the schema is? Your schema is system schema. System underscore schema.
There's no underscore.
Schema.
It's only system.
Yeah, this is your login system only, na? System is ready, na? That system. System. Underscore schema.
Underscore
System.
schema. It's not there in the. I mean, here
No,
it's
it's
not
there.
there.
DAK underscore schema is there.
Okay.
Okay, let me try that schema.
Okay.
Okay, yes. Now, I'll execute this code. Ilva system schema. Okay.
Yeah, because it was only system. I think that is why it's not taking. Let's just try only with systems without giving underscore. There was a dot here. Me just paste it again.
Yeah, there is only pasted only, but we just click and paste it again once more. So
I
yes.
just give system here and try it. It got executed.
Now check it. The table is here. Right click on the table and check it. The product table is created or not. Refresh. Just click on refresh it. The table was created. What the table name here? Product.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now in this table, I want to insert in some data. Again, go for insert command there.
Under table?
Again, no. Again, the query is there. No?
Okay.
Queries.
Okay. Sorry.
Because you're not a modular, you don't know learning anything like. Okay, just because you don't have everything. Everything you have to select it.
Okay.
So those are inserting as a 5 values.
No, I'm sorry.
First copy into the notepad is better.
Okay.
Because you have to remove the schema name. No? Remove just replace, copy and replace is taking longer time. Replace it is better.
Okay.
You can do like this, is taking too much time. So copy, replace it. Replace option is there. No? Find replace option. Anywhere is it? Just check it.
Okay.
In Notepad, you have the find and replace option is there.
Yes.
Replace, control H.
I just copy paste maybe.
Okay.
In the same thing? So?
Yeah, scroll below. Remove that create command. No need. Remove that.
Yeah.
Table is created. Remove that. Remove that. Paste it again. Hmm. Paste it.
Yeah.
Now click on execution. Okay, yes. Data is inserting. Check it that the right click on the product, adjusting the data preview. Data open, select statements. Okay, now data should be inserting. Okay, product ID is supply ID and category. Create one table also. Again, there again, create one more table.
Here?
No, again, go for that. Again, go one more query is there. Just go for that.
Oh, one more. Okay, yeah.
Two tables, then only can join it, no?
Okay.
Again.
Just getting copied a lot. Oh.
What the table name this is?
Product description. Product DSC. Executed. So just copy the remaining data.
Okay, yeah, check the data is inserted.
Yes, it's inserted. So.
Okay, now I want to create a so I want to join these two tables now. Okay, how we can join it so by using as a right. Now minimize the catalog, close everything. What are the things you repeat?
Okay. No. Yes, sir.
Okay, now minimize the catalog. Left side you have catalog folder is minimize that.
Okay. Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, and now go for content folder. Create one package. Right click on create one package. Divya underscore package. Create a new package. Right, the new is then a new
Okay. New
package.
Okay.
The package name. Divya package. Click on next. No need. No need to deliver. Just click on next. Okay, click on OK. Okay, now again expand the Divya package. Right click on it. Now creating the attribute use. New, click on new.
Okay. New.
Click on attribute view. Okay, yeah, copy paste that. Give the name AD Divya underscore no, Divya underscore attribute you.
Okay.
Divya underscore AD. AD means attribute you.
Okay.
Okay, yes, click on finished. Okay, now data foundation is there now. There you have
Yes.
drag and drop elements. Okay, you can drag and drop the tables. For the table, you can just drag and drop the two tables.
Okay.
For a
Okay.
catalog folder,
Catalog folder.
system, system. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So these are all the fields in that table.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Now, which is a field common here? Product ID is a common. Okay,
Yeah.
map with those two. Map with. Just click
How
on
to
that
map?
is making as just yeah, just you can drag and drag. That key is there, no?
Oh,
Just move it like this. No, no, here to there. Product to description. Hmm.
okay. Here.
Hmm. No, no, product ID is there, no? Product ID. Just yes. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Now again, just now the button is readable. Like buttons is there, no? Just put it. That is output.
Okay.
Everything I
Okay.
want. Putting as
Hmm.
everything output. Click on each and every field.
Okay. What?
Click on is getting like click double click on it is getting output. Yeah, everything. Product ID also. Product name and product.
Okay.
Left side like next that below table one more table also. Mm.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
So now right side is here. Right side what is the output you're getting? Right side is showing us all the tables.
Okay.
All the field with table with for this is the output. That is your output designing. Okay.
Okay. So product ID is a common in both the tables. So we
Yes.
made it into
Yeah.
one.
Yes.
Okay.
And after this, I want to join with the table. Okay. That's okay.
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 If
Now,
there are any other tables in the other table, like any other
same.
fields which are common, then we just map it.
Yes. Again, just
Okay.
click on that connection. What the connection is there? Just click on that connection. Again, what is the join type? Just click on that. Select that connection. Now it's saying as a one-to-one join. Just click on join type. Below
Uh,
is it? This is
oh
not
yeah,
triple join.
yeah.
This is the
It
inner
says
join.
referential.
Yeah, just click on just inner join. Taking as inner join.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Now go
Hmm.
for schematics. I want to
Okay.
decide it, which is schema. Double click on it.
Hmm.
Here, product ID. Product ID,
Okay.
you have to make checkbox one. At least one should be on primary key.
Hmm.
Primary key. Product ID. So that is the
Yeah.
primary key.
Okay.
Okay. Click on save and execute. Correct execute is in. Just click on execute.
Okay. What is this key thing, sir? Like
Like at least one key is there and see some errors is there. Check it one error is there. Double click on.
error log. Hmm. Runtime error. Activation field for at least one object.
Just go ahead. One at least one object.
Okay, sorry. A runtime report and error during activation. Please
Please.
see check results for
It's efficient, so
details.
you don't have authorization. See here, I say it won't have authorization. That is a one error.
Error log.
Hmm. Hmm. Down, down.
Conflict occurred.
Down, just click on down.
Okay.
Okay, last one heading is there. Last column, just click on a heading. Configuration, the same thing is taken. Just click on last one is there. Last column, heading, just click on heading. Last column, yes. No, heading column, just click on check there. No, heading column is there. No? Heading column.
Which one?
Product ID dot product ID dot one. Yeah,
Just
last one. Heading column is there. Yeah, they say no. Not uncheck. Uncheck that and checkbox is the one more. Heading is there. Heading that. Heading. No. Last column. Last column. Right side. Schematic type. Label. Column.
okay, hidden. No. Yeah.
Now check
So
it
this
now.
one, uncheck all this.
First of all, make it. That is product. The product ID only is the primary compulsory.
Okay, this one.
Heading. I can edit that. Okay.
Okay.
Because both are the same now. So I want to edit that. Okay. Click on run it.
Okay. Again, there are some errors.
Just check it.
I think the one, the joint that we created, maybe we should have.
No. That is it's a authorization error. Check it out. Just double click and click the error. It's an authorization error.
Okay.
Double click on the error. So is the error occurring from the deploy into the at least. So just declare that.
Run. Create insufficient privilege. Okay. Not authorized. Okay, insufficient privilege, it says.
Yes. Okay, copy that and just paste it into the Google and just check it. What type of insufficient do you have?
Yeah, this create column view. I need that privilege.
Just check it. Copy in Google and paste it.
Yeah.
sys_bis. Okay, that repository is not.
That's a huge one.
I want to give the grant option here. Granting.
Why is this whole thing copied? It's not coming out.
No, just go for Google and just maintain the how to granting the grant access to sys repository.
In Google?
Yes.
Something else got copied. Sorry.
Type it manually.
Yeah. Create column view. How to get access to?
Command is there, that's.
Create column view _sys
The command is grant select on. No. Just go by it. Just check it. The command is grant select on.
Directly in that?
Yes.
Here in SQL console?
Sorry? Yes, SQL console directly you can type it.
To open the SQL console. Yes, sir. What's that? Grant?
Once go for charting option.
Okay. Yeah.
Or come outside of this.
Yes, sir. Okay, I think I need to copy it in a notepad first.
Grant schema change the schema name. Furniture is in it. Just change your schema name. No, that is okay. Schema. Remember the schema. What is schema? System. How it is now.
Executed.
Yes. Now checking. Now is it? Yes.
Now, okay, we have to go to that content folder.
Yes. No, already open. No, already open the attribute. The view attribute is there already.
Oh yeah.
And take
So
that. Just
now
click on.
just execute.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes. Now is
completed.
done.
Okay.
Okay. Now I want to see the data preview. Just go for click on the execution below. You have drop down. Stay there small. Just click on that. No. So his option is there. No, their option. Yes, there only. So click on that data preview. No, that is after next option. Next option. I'm saying next.
Okay, I'm sorry.
So here, open the data preview.
Okay.
What type of data you're joining? What is our output? So
it didn't come.
sorry.
Okay, it came. I'm sorry. Yes, sir.
Now, yes. Now you see the overall data. So here, a product ID, drag and drop to label axis, y-axis. No, product ID, product ID, product ID.
Product ID. Label
Name,
access.
supplier. Yeah, label
Here?
access.
Okay.
Yes.
And this all in the value access.
Yeah, product name, supplier ID. And the price you can go for below one.
Okay, product.
No, add it, drag and drop all those things.
Supplier ID also here?
Yes. And price is below. Category is no need, just is it.
Okay.
Category close it. Is a category is a debate, just.
Okay, I'll just remove it.
Now it's getting. Now see that is a graphic. See here within fraction of second you get the report.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Go for table. Just go for table. You can get the chart level. Even chart level, what type of charts is there? Right side. No, you get the charts. Table wise if you want. Table wise.
Okay,
Go for table wise. Table wise. So within fraction of second the files level, HTML level. Okay. Even go for chart.
Okay, pie charts.
And the below option.
Histogram.
Pie chart. Yes.
Where is that?
Above is there. Above is there. Above is there. No, above there only there. Chart above one. Different pie chart, bar chart. Below one only.
Oh, okay, I got it. Yeah.
Okay, and even now we can go for distinction data, raw data. Okay, so this is the distinct table. So this is the way of those are preparing the attribute use. So these are the guys analytical preparing.
Okay.
Modular guys are preparing like this. Okay.
But how you know that we have to put all these things here in label access and the price here?
It's our option. Our option. What is input and what is output? That's it.
Okay.
So now I want to get product ID supply, then automatically price is getting.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Even distinction data. Just click on distinction data. Distinction values.
Okay.
Raw data. Go for raw data. Raw data. So again, by default. Okay, price, amount, all those things. Okay. Now, what is the purpose of creating these all those things? So now, this is created by the module and password into the, so those are forwarded to you. Then what are the rest you can do? Now you're doing as you assign a particular user. Now, how to assign this to the just log on to the Divya 45 something user ID previously creating it.
Yes, sir. Security.
Right click on it. No, just right click on log on to that particular user ID now.
Oh, log on to the user ID. Okay.
Right click on HTTP. So Divya 45 something you there. Add on with
Yeah.
Now I want to assign this package to Divya. Okay.
Yes, sir. SID ADM. Okay, you have to give system username.
Asking is not as just cancel it. You started or you log in?
I'm
No, why
logging.
you were no, they cancel it, just click and cancel. You're typing it invalid, just click and cancel again, log in. Finish it, just click and finish.
I'm sorry.
I click on add the system with different user.
Yeah, that's what.
This is the security user ID. Okay.
Yeah.
Again, it's invalid.
Okay.
The username is there.
Maybe I changed the password. I don't remember.
The password is correct. Username is not there. See the username. What is the username? Div456.
Oh, okay. That's why it's coming now. Okay. The user ID was incorrect.
Okay. No, that's okay. Fine. Now go for that particular. Explain that user ID.
Yeah. Like the contents
Not
folder.
not here. System user ID users is there, na? System users, not there, not there. Don't go for that. Now go for users. Expand here. Double click on that. Is that privilegation only, na? Correct user ID only, na?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Go for system privilegation. Previously, what is system privilegation providing? Object privilegation.
System privilegation. We gave a lot of roles.
Okay, now go for package privilegation. Just go for package privilegation.
Okay.
Now add the package. What package just now you created. And give the only
Divya underscore packing. It's capital D.
is it already there? Let's take the package. Okay, again, see what options here available to only reading purpose. Edit good. Just click on read, only read.
Okay.
Click on execution. You cannot click on execute. Okay, now what happened? Divya is able to doing this only for what
Reading,
she's
like
doing.
I can just see the table and the data.
And only the package insurance.
Okay.
The data for users. Now go for Divya user ID. Go for content folder.
Okay.
Suppose if you want to try to delete that. So already is there. Whether is there already what is the insufficient privilegation to execute and report it.
Repository resource, I think something is not there.
So you don't get
Rest.
in that. This is the physical test. So that is
Okay.
privilegation is in back. Okay, even go for analytical.
Okay.
Analytical, just click on add the plus symbol. Now we're creating attribute you know, type that attribute you.
Okay.
So it's not available anything. No, there is nothing. Is it just enter? So you have to create new identical, same thing. Just 1 second. So how to create that? Just once. Okay, once go for that. Previous I had for one link now.
Okay.
Now we're creating same way in creating analytical also. Expense go. Next to when you come to next class, what we do in creating as a remaining also. Okay, attribute you, analytic you, and all those. Then assign to particular user.
Okay,
So
sure.
go for the one, just copy paste. Is there no? See how all data is available or not?
Okay.
You have the link. Just click on next. Scroll down. Where you getting that down? Just scroll down.
Attribute we created.
What? Click on down, everything down. At last, down only there. This is for attribute creation, just now what we did. Same thing, go for analytical also. Click down, down, down. Click on next, scroll upside one second. Click on next. Click on next. So what this document, next document is analyticals.
Okay, analytical view. Okay.
Okay, and how to get analyticals. Okay, scroll down. Same process, but you have to add some other tables also.
Okay.
Analytical.
So you have to create this?
Yeah, I can create all those things. Do that later. You can do that. Okay. Next.
Okay.
Again, go for create the calculation view.
Okay, analytic view creation.
Next. Click on next. Multiple tables you can join with them. Previous was a single table, now this is multiple tables.
Okay.
Click on next again. Click on next. Now I want to this. This is the I will require. What is the requirement now? See what is this document name here? SAP and an article privilegizations.
Okay. Tutorial.
So yeah, so no, there's below. Yeah, below the documentation. Just scroll upside. SAP HANA requiring as a HANA privilegization usually include the providing other require what are attribute use and analytic use. So if you have to create two views, attribute and view, just scroll down. After that, you can creating as the analyticals.
Okay.
Analytical privilegization. So below is the analytical privilegization, and you can providing this.
Okay.
Okay, do that, and you can add to your user tomorrow. We'll be checking. Okay.
Yes, sure, sir.
This is your okay. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Bye.